Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into super-automatic espresso machines today. I've got the DeLonghi Eletta B07NV2L9TL, minus the renewed version, of course. Ready to compare?
Absolutely. I'm rocking the Philips 4400 series B0DNRMS1S5, also renewed. It promises 12 different hot and asterisk iced coffees, which already sounds amazing.
Okay, nice. Renewed is the way to go for value, right? Let's see what these pre-owned models can do. This DeLonghi Eletta boasts a one-touch LatteCrema system. I'm picturing perfectly layered cappuccinos and lattes with zero effort. Does the Philips have a similar milk frothing setup?
It does. The Philips has the Latte Go milk system. The big selling point is how easy it is to clean. Philips claims under 10 seconds. Seriously, cleaning is a BID+, especially with milk frothers.
Tell me about it. The DeLonghi boasts automatic cleaning programs too, with descaling and rinsing. That's essential for longevity. It also grinds the beans, 'cause it's bean to cup, you know. It's got 13 adjustable grinding settings, apparently. How many does the Philips have?
The Philips also has ceramic grinders, which should be durable, and it has 12 grind settings, so pretty similar there. But seriously, charged iced coffee from a super-automatic? That's a game changer. But the Philips makes iced coffee too. That's a big win in my book.
Oh, interesting. The DeLonghi doesn't specifically say it does iced coffee. It does brew 2 cups at once, which is handy for couples or when you need that extra caffeine kick.
The Philips has a color touchscreen, which sounds pretty modern and easy to use. Makes navigating those 12 coffee options a breeze, I'd imagine.
The DeLonghi mentions a touch control panel, so similar idea there too. It also highlights its ability to use either coffee beans or pre-ground coffee. Versatility!
The Philips is pushing its quick start feature, so less waiting time in the morning. I'm all about that.
DeLonghi focuses on its automatic cappuccino system. It claims barista-quality drinks in less than 3 minutes. Pretty bold statement. It also uses a 15-bar pump pressure. Both are aiming for that coffee shop experience at home, without the barista price tag.
The Philips also highlights its aroma extract technology, which is meant to optimize the brewing temperature and flow rate. Sounds fancy.
DeLonghi talks about its double boiler system and electronic temperature control, so it seems to have a similar focus on temperature precision. It weighs a hefty 24.2 pounds, though.
It sounds like the Philips is aiming for convenience and speed, while the DeLonghi is emphasizing that authentic taste and maybe a bit more customization with the grind settings.
Yeah, it's a trade-off between speed and perceived quality, maybe. Ultimately, it depends on what you prioritize in your morning coffee routine. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.